Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm preparing this spicy chicken topped with cheese stuffed eggplant. Very delicious and yet easy to make. To my supporters, appreciate each and every one of you for the continued support. For my new supporters, thank you guys so much. And if it's the first time you came across my channel, please tap the subscribe button and join the family. And without further ado guys, let's jump straight into the video. Please enjoy the music and just watch me work. See you at the end guys. Okay guys, here we have come to the end of the video, and this stuffed eggplant was magnificent. You can use whichever stuffing of your choice. Spicy chicken was mine today and the turnout was great. If you like, please try out this recipe. All the ingredients I use will be in the description box below. And if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. And not only that guys, please put a notification bell on, so as soon as I upload you will be notified. To my channel members, I didn't forget you guys. Thank you guys so much for the support. And for all my foodies, I have put some lovely dishes just for you guys in my playlist. Please go ahead and check them out. And thank you guys so much again for watching. And until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.